Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, of course, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I am drinking is vodka, with some Seagram's ginger ale, and it tastes really good. It has that nice, crisp taste to it. I feel like if you, what would you compare this to? If you like whatever, if you like alcohol, you'll like this. Okay, so go ahead and grab yourself a drink and then come back and let us discuss today's topic. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I post these poll questions where I ask these poll questions based on memes that I find on the internet. So if you are following me, if you're not following me on Instagram, here is my Instagram handle. Go ahead and follow me right now at Kissyface, Kissyface454 if you want to be a part of these Naked Sunday videos some kind of way. For this video, what we're going to be talking about is, can a woman still love her man if she has sex with somebody else? Let me make sure I'm reading that properly, because I don't want to, say the wrong thing. So let me pull up the screenshot that I took. Here we go. Can a female have sex with another guy and still love her man? Yeah. 73% of you said yes. 27% of you said no. How do I feel about this? Can a female have sex with another guy and still love her man? I say yes. But that all depends on the female. That depends on how emotionally attached she is to her man, how attracted she is to her man, and even then, that's because you do have some savage females out there who, where sex is just sex for them. There's no connection. You know how some people post about how, it's a spiritual transference of the whatever when you have sex with somebody, There's some people who really don't care about that and just want to get their rocks off. And I'm not talking about addicts, I'm not talking about sex addicts, I'm talking about women or men who just generally like intercourse. They don't feel like they'll die without it, but they feel like they can go a road and do them off a do and come back home and nothing changes between them and their partner. Do I feel like this is possible? Yes, I do feel like this is possible. Unless, again, like I said before, this is a rule you have in your relationship, a standard, whatever. Like it was already said in the beginning of the relationship, if you want to do this, go ahead and do this. Once there's no emotional connection to the person, then that is also different. That's another factor to be considered, because there are some relationships like that. Not necessarily open relationships, but yeah, I guess open relationships, or I don't even like to use the word open. I want to say evolved, because they're so beyond the thinking of keeping themselves labeled and in a box and so restricted by monogamy that they feel like, you know what, I love you, you love me, we know that we love each other, but we find other people attractive, and if one thing leads to another, once it doesn't pass a certain emotional aspect, then that's okay. And I can understand that. I can understand that. I can feel that. I can relate. I don't know if relate is not the right word, because my husband is not done for that at all. Do I think that women can do that and still love their man? Of course. Men claim they do it all the time. Oh, she didn't mean nothing. Oh, it was nothing. She didn't. Why women can't have that same justification? Oh, it didn't mean anything. Why? Okay. No, because when women cheat, it's emotional, and when men cheat, it's physical. Okay, says who? So the percentages for that post was 73% yes, 27% no. If you are in that 27% who says no, a woman cannot have sex with somebody else and still love her man, comment down below and let us discuss it. Let us debate. Okay, debate me and the other 73%ers who feel like a woman can. Because I feel like, as different as men and women are, we do have a lot of the same trait, because we are human beings, and a lot of us have this very similar or the same traits and mindsets. So if a man can do it, a woman can do it, and I promise you a woman can do it better. No shade, no tea, no offense, just facts. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. If you have a question for me, leave it in the comment section below. If you feel like there's something you want to ask but too embarrassed to ask in the comments, my email is in the description bar, so go ahead, send me an email and I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've been drinking with me, tell me what you've been drinking. Cheers. Peace sign and kissy face. Bye.